another thing na I'd like you to address, na sinasabi ng mga critics mo, is that, so you are now leading the Katipunan ng Nagkakaisang Pilipino. You left the Liberal Party a few months ago. So some might say that that decision to leave the Liberal Party is just a move to distance yourself from the yellow brand or from the Liberal Party. What can you say about that?
Well, so the KNP, actually, walang mas yellow pa sa akin, di ba? I think clearly, di ba?
Yes.
So the KNP kasi, that was composed of many of the provincial leaders ng Lenny campaign. And marami sa kanila, mga young councilors, young board members. In fact, ako na yung matanda doon. And when they found out I was planning to run again for the senatorial election, sila na yung naghikayat sa akin na, Sen, pwede ba ikaw na yung mag-lead sa amin? We're a young group, we're a new group, the newest political party in the Philippines. We want you to be our chairman. And I agreed kasi I worked with them a lot. Now, of course, Senator Kiko is still with the Liberal Party and we maintain our coalition there. So, mahirap rin yung magdidistansya ka pero magka-coalition pa rin kayo. I think it's really a matter of nahanap ko yung lugar kung saan mas bagay ko. And in this party, which is new, and binubuo pa namin ang mga proseso at paraan namin, I think I just found my place here with these young leaders.
Kasi may mga nagsasabi, and I'm sure you've heard about this even during the campaign of VP Lenny, na parang nagpalit lang ng kulay but it's the same politics. Kaya nga parang nagkaroon ng tag na pink lawan. Parang pinagsama yung pink and
well, yung mga sociologists natin will say na medyo iba siya. Of course, may mga pagkakaparehas yan. But in that case, kasi proud to be pink ako and proud to be yellow also, di ba?